In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use prompts effectively in Sora 2. Mastering the art of creating prompts can significantly enhance your experience and the outcomes you get from Sora 2, so let's dive right in and explore some practical tips. First, it's crucial to be clear and specific in your prompts. This sets the foundation for the outcome you desire. Think of the details you want to see and describe them meticulously. For instance, if you're interested in an image featuring a dog, you might say, a golden retriever running in a sunny park, chasing a ball, natural lighting, clear and detailed. This kind of precision not only helps the software understand your vision, but also increases the likelihood of a satisfying result. Next, including character or object details is equally important. Consider elements such as colors, clothing styles, facial expressions, poses, or any unique traits that might define your subject. These attributes add clarity and depth, allowing the output to better match what you have in mind. Setting the context of the scene comes next. Providing the location, background elements, time of day, or the overall mood can transform an image or scenario from simple to extraordinary. For example, specifying whether it's a bustling city street at sunset or a quiet meadow at dawn can dramatically alter the final product and align it more closely with your vision. Now, if you have a particular visual style in mind, consider using optional style keywords to guide the look. Styles can range from anime and realistic to cinematic, or they might have attributes like vibrant colors. These keywords act like a stylistic compass, directing the artist's hand or the software's algorithms toward an aesthetic that resonates with you. Sometimes a picture speaks 1,000 words, and in Sora 2 you can use reference images to maintain consistency, particularly with recurring characters or objects. Uploading these images can help ensure that those elements remain uniform across different clips or scenes, making them recognizably yours. Finally, don't forget the importance of testing and refining. Begin with a short clip to see how the software interprets your prompt. This trial allows you to review the results and adjust the wording if necessary. Refining your prompts through iteration not only sharpens your prompt crafting skills, but also gradually hones the results to perfection. So there you have it. By incorporating these practical strategies, being specific, adding detail, setting context, and utilizing reference images, you can dramatically improve the efficacy of your prompts in Sora 2. Remember, it's a creative process that benefits from patience and practice, so don't hesitate to experiment and make adjustments as you go. Happy creating!